everyone, welcome back to my channel Beauty Bites by KONICA ARORA. Today's video is a requested video again. There are a lot of DMs, lot of questions wherein you guys want to know the easiest way of putting lashes. If you are a beginner and you've been struggling to put lashes, I am going to tell you a super easy way that I personally figured out because I was one of those who've been struggling to put my own lashes. It was really easy for me to put it on my clients, but when it comes to me, I was facing a lot of problem. So I'm going to tell you what is the easiest way that I probably figured out how to put lashes. I'm sure you're going to love it because I love it too. There are a lot of lashes available in the market. You need to figure out which is your best type. So if you have really small hooded eyes, I would not suggest you to offer lashes which are pretty long because then they're going to look very artificial. Start with basic lashes and then you can go on to heavy lashes. But if you are someone who does makeup pretty well but still struggle for putting lashes, so you can still opt for heavier lashes. That is totally your choice. If we talk about heavier lashes, then these are the kind of lashes which are available in the market. I'm going to open this for you. This is like a cat eye sort of a look, which actually lifts your eye. And this is something that most of the people like. There are also lashes which are shorter from both the sides and are longer from the center. That is something that I personally love. But it is your choice whether you want to start with these lashes or you want to go with the lighter ones first. My personal suggestion is to go with the lighter ones first. Once you get a hang of it, then you can switch over to these lashes. There are plenty of options available in the market. A lot of people are doing lashes nowadays. A lot of Indian brands are also capturing the market. So try your hands on them and I'm sure that you will love their lashes too. Just make sure that the band of the lash is not very thick, because if the band is very thick, then you won't be very comfortable wearing them. I'm going to show you my personal favorite lash, no matter how heavy the occasion is. I never put heavy lashes. I don't know, I'm not very comfortable with it. I don't have a vibe of carrying those lashes. I always like putting a base coat and then doing mascara and making my lashes look fuller naturally. But on occasions, if I really want to put lashes, then Ardell Demi Wispies are my favorite. I don't put any lashes except these lashes. They are my personal favorite and I love them so much. The best part about these lashes is definitely the band. It's so thin, it's so flexible. I don't feel the weight on my lashes and I'm so very comfortable wearing them. I would suggest all of you to start with lashes wherein the band of the lash is very thin. Now if you see this lash, can you see that the band of the lash is transparent? And that's what I love about these lashes. Also, if you see, the band of the lash is so very flexible. If you are opting for heavier lashes and the band is not very flexible, then my personal suggestion to you is to take out the lash and spare some time on the band and just make the band a little more flexible by doing this. This is definitely going to make the band more flexible and it is going to be much more easier for you to put this lash now. So the first thing that you have to do is take out your lash and make the band more flexible. Once your band gets flexible, now you have to put this lash on your eye and see if the size is perfect for you. This is such an important step because if your lash is long than your natural eye, then your eyes are going to look more droopy. If I just see the size of this lash fits perfectly on my eye shape. But if you are one of those whose eyes are smaller than mine, then you probably need to cut your lash. And whenever you cut your lash, make sure that you're cutting your lash from the outer corner rather than the inner corner. Now the next step is the most important step, and this is something that I personally derived and I thought that it was the easiest way for me to put lashes. What I'm going to do is you just need a pair of scissors. You just need to snip your lash from two parts. So it's going to get divided into 3 equal parts. one you're going to snip it from here and the other you're going to snip it from here. So you're going to divide your lash in 3 parts. The first one, which is the inner corner part, the center, and then the tail of the lash. That's what I'm going to do right now. This is going to be my first part, right here. Then comes my second part, here. And this is the third part. If you see this part, I have divided my lash in 3 equal parts. And now I'm going to apply glue on it. I swear by only and only one glue in the market, and that is too.So. It's available in 2 colors, one which is gray, which turns black when it dries, and the other one is it's white and it turns clear when it dries. So it's your choice. I would say that you should start with white, so that even if you actually get your glue somewhere here or other, you don't disturb your makeup. But I'm going to use this one, which is the gray one right now. I just took out some glue at the back of my tweezer, and now I'm going to apply this glue on the lash line. I'm just going to apply it on the lash line. Just see how I apply. And now I'm going to let it dry for at least 40 to 60 seconds. I'll apply glue on all the 3 parts of the lash. Make sure that you already applied your mascara before putting your lashes. But then after putting lashes, you just need one more coat to just bind the lashes together. So I just applied mascara on my lashes, and now I'm going to fix the tail of the lash first. Make sure that your head is a little tilted and you're applying the outer corner first. Voila. Now comes the center. And finally, the inner corner. I'm just going to press both the lashes together. And now just see what difference does it make. And it's so easy to put lashes in small parts rather than fixing your lash in one big part. I love this way of putting lashes. It's something that I probably thought that this was the right way for me to put lashes. I love putting them this way. And if you also want to learn this technique, go and try it on, and do let me know in the comments below, how did you find this technique? Now I'm going to put the other lash and we'll be right back. So I did both my eyes, and applying lashes is no more a task for me, and it's not going to be a task for you as well. Go and get your hands on it, practice, and you will get it. It's so easy, and I love this way of applying lashes. So all that you have to do is 1, 2, and 3, and you're done. I hope you find this video quite interesting. I have given my real trick, the way I apply my lashes, and I'm sure you guys will love it. In case you like it, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, and please ring the notification bell if you haven't, because you are going to get notified every time my video goes up. I love you all, and I'll see you on Saturday with a fresh new video.